Hey guys, this is Randy with Hanley Digital Consulting. We spoke earlier about a quick video on how to help bring more clients to your business with a better online presence. And in this video, there's going to be some really cool tips, and I just want you to keep in mind, even if you're not interested in my services, I'd really like to get your feedback. So I was looking at your website and I noticed a few things that we can work on to help bring more traffic to your website and obviously more revenue to your business. And there's three ways that we can do this. It's with content, backlinks, and citations. So content is what I'm referring to as words and images. And what this does is it gives us a place to put higher search keywords, and we also want around 1,500 words minimum on your homepage. And what it does, it takes away all the guesswork for Google, and Google likes images, so the more images, and when you're saving those pictures, you want to name it with those keywords. So you can see right here, if we save this image, you want to make sure that this is saved with your business name and number and the keyword that you want to be found for. And we also want to make sure that those keywords are within your content and they're bolded and highlighted and interlinked between your service pages. So that would really help you. So what I can do is I can pull up this tool that I use and I can see what keywords you're being found for. So you can see right here that these are the keywords you're being found for. So I want to make sure that these keywords are within your content, and we want to kind of go after ones with lower KD, so floor buffering, carpet cleaning. See, that's got a pretty high one. Just need to find some better keywords, and it'd probably be a lot better for you to be found because these are pretty high competition words right here. But nonetheless, you need to make sure that these keywords are within your content. So the second way is with backlinks and referring domains, and it's basically anywhere one website refers to another website, and Google looks at this to see if your website is trustworthy. So the more trust Google has, the higher it's going to rank your website. So I can pull up your backlinks and I can see what you have, and you can it's telling me that you have no backlinks. Actually, you have one backlink, and you've got a DR.1, but you can see right here it's not really helping you. So definitely need to get some better backlinks. What I can also do is I can pull up some of your competitors. This is actually clean. You can see they have a good bit of content on their homepage. But let's go check out their. You can see that they have 540 backlinks, and they're being found for 492 words. So definitely need to make sure that you have plenty of content, and then we can come in here and find some of their keywords that they're using and see what they're being found for. Let's see. And then we want to find the ones that have Fort Collins and rug cleaning. Fort Collins. And we'll just do this. So you can see right here, tile, Fort Collins, upholstery. These all have low keywords. Low KD, so we could definitely go after some of these, but still kind of go after some of the other ones that you're being found for also. So this will really help you bring in a lot more clients. So again, with the backlinks, the second way is with backlinks, and it's basically anywhere one website refers to another website. So Google looks at this to see if your website is trustworthy. So the more trust Google has, the higher it's going to rank your website. What I could do is I could pull up, I can go over here and check out your competitors, and all I really care about is the do follows. So we'd come over here and see what they have, and then go out and get some of these higher DR backlinks, and then if not, we just need to make sure that we have more than they have. So they only have 47, so we only need to put around 47 to beat them. And then again, these guys are the same way. And I can come over here and I can check out theirs, and you can see what they have. And then we just need to make sure that we beat theirs. So again, I'm going to go over here to the backlinks, and we're going to do follows. And you can see they're 13. So we want to make sure that we, have more than that, and they only have 13. So that'd be pretty easy to beat. So it's super important to get these backlinks because they'll add about an extra 20 to 30% click rate from the organic search results. So the third way is with citations, and it's basically anywhere your business name or number appear in registries like Yelp and Yellow Pages. So the more we can get, the greater chance you have of getting top 3 of the Google Map Pack. So, you know, if we pull up Fort Collins floor cleaning, you know, you could see who shows up right here in the top of the GMB or the Google Business Profile. And this is where you're going to get about 70% of all your clicks in the first place. So we want to make sure that we have a GMB created and we have it ranking, because this is where a lot of your calls are going to come from anyway. So I wasn't able to find yours. If I'm wrong on that, I apologize, but we definitely need to get one of those. And one of the ways that we can optimize it is by adding photos, getting reviews, making monthly posts to it, updates, and then adding citations to it. And I like to start off with around 125 to 150, and then you know, go and check and see what your competitors have, and then go after that too. So yeah, so that should really help you guys bring in a lot more traffic to your website if you can get some more content on your website and get it, you know, those keywords inside your content bolded and highlighted, interlinked. Make sure we go after those backlinks that I was showing you and try to get your UR and DR to about a 1-to-1 ratio, and then that'll drive up your traffic, and also getting those citations added to your GMB and getting it optimized. So with that, I appreciate you for watching. I hope this helped, and if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call or shoot me an email, and thank you for watching. Have a good one.